Today we have boAt Wave Sigma with 2.01-inch HD display, Bluetooth calling, coins, DIY watch face studio, 700 plus active modes, Transpo 2 monitoring, energy, and sleep scores, IP67, smartwatch for men and women. Let's talk about features. Screen size. Wave Sigma comes with a massive 2.01-inch HD display providing a complete capacitive touch experience, to let you take control effortlessly. Always on display, no. Peak screen brightness 550 nits. boAt coins. Get vouchers coupons that can be redeemed on our boAt Crest app. Bases your workouts. DIY watch face studio. Customize watch faces as per your own needs. Choose backgrounds, themes and widgets. Bluetooth calling. The watch comes with a premium built-in speaker and microphone that enables you to have a quick chat with friends and stay connected with the world. Music storage, no. Volume control, yes. 700 plus active mode. From running to binge watching, from weight training to dog walking, from skateboarding to snuggling. Wave Sigma makes every moment count. Rigorously tested for reliability before leaving the factory, Wave Sigma is super durable with IP67 dust, sweat and splash resistance. Battery time. Feature-loaded watch comes with up to 5 days of battery life. Never miss out on the fun with ultimate battery life. Battery life is dependent on the usage of the watch. Health and wellness. Keep a tab on your heart rate and blood oxygen levels on the go with the heart rate and SpO2 monitor. The sleep monitor tracks the stages of your sleep, light, deep and awake, to give you detailed summaries of your sleep health. Supported applications. HR, SpO2, fitness tracker, MSGS, pedometer, calendar, alarm. Note: HR and SpO2 readings are not for medical usage. Charging specs. Connect the charging USB cable to an adapter of 3.7 volts to 5 volts. Charging time, 1 to 2 hours. Special features. 2.01 HD display, boAt coins, DIY watch face studio, Bluetooth 5.2, 700 plus active modes.
Inclusions: Wave Sigma, charging cable, warranty card, user manual. Let's talk about specification. Display. Screen size 2.01 inches. Resolution 240 x 240. Features. Special features. 2.01 HD display, boAt coins, DIY watch face studio. Supported application. Alarm, heart rate monitor, reminders, sleep monitor. Sport type. Walking, fitness, running. Water resistance level. Water resistant. Input type. Buttons. Material. Plastic. Connectivity technology. Bluetooth. Band material type. Silicone. Band color. Active black. Clasp type. Buckle. Battery. Battery life 5 days. Battery cell composition. Lithium polymer. Compatibility. Compatible devices. Smartphone. Compatible devices. Smartphone. OS and processor. Operating system. Smartwatch. Other details. Style. Modern. Color. Active black. Item shape. Rectangular. Suitable for unisex adult. Age range. Youth. Warranty. 1 year warranty from the date of purchase. If you buy one, link in description. Next video coming soon. Subscribe our channel and share. Thank you.